Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr.Rafique, Government Degree College, Latifabad, Hyderabad. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the mitochondria with the animation. Mitochondria is known as a powerhouse of the cell because it produces energy. It is involved in the cellular respiration, and we will discuss about the shape and internal structure of mitochondria, what type of internal structures are present inside the mitochondria. We will discuss. You can see mitochondria present inside the cytoplasm. This is mitochondria. You can see here, this is mitochondria. This is a structure of mitochondria, and this is also mitochondria present in the cytoplasm. This is nucleus, and outside the nucleus, this portion is known as cytoplasm. Outside the nucleus, that portion is known as cytoplasm. Inside the cytoplasm, mitochondria, a powerhouse of the cell, is available. So this mitochondria especially responsible for the respiration. Cellular aerobic respiration is occurring by the help of this mitochondria. So you can see further mitochondria. Inside the mitochondria we will discuss. This is mitochondria. This one is the mitochondria. This is mitochondria, you can see, and this is the powerhouse of the cell, we can say. This is a powerhouse, and this mitochondria consists on outer. This is outer membrane. This is outer membrane, and this one is inner membrane. Inner membrane is cristae. Inner membrane is known as cristae. Outer is smooth, while inner membrane is folded, and this inner membrane is known as cristae. So mitochondria oval shaped, maybe elongated, maybe in different shapes, we can say. So mitochondria consist on this outer membrane. This one is an inner membrane, and this one central portion is known as matrix. This central portion is known as matrix. Inside the mitochondria, this structure you can see here. Inside the mitochondria, two processes occur. One is the Krebs cycle. At this place, Krebs cycle occur. At this place, Krebs cycle occur. While at these positions, this is known as a ETC process occurring position ya point. So matrix that possesses the is like stroma material, means is like stroma possesses many substances, is like we have discussed in the chloroplast. In the matrix, same things. DNA is present, RNA present, and ribosomes are present, and especially enzymes are present, and all these enzymes are especially for the process that's known as Krebs cycle process. Krebs cycle process that occur inside the central cavity of mitochondria. While in this process, this is known as the ETC. So more important process is Krebs cycle and ETC because both produce huge amount of energy, but more energy producing point, your position is known as a ETC. Let's see. Let's move further. You can see. So this is mitochondria. Internally, you can see this is outer membrane, and this is the central membrane that's known as a cristae, and these are the central points. This is known as a matrix. Matrix and cristae. This is a membrane. This membrane is like the cell membrane like structure, and this is the permeable membrane. This is especially for the Krebs cycle process. You can see here, this is a when material move inside the cell, and that utilized in the cellular respiration for the production of ATP. Here you can see production of ATP is shown here. This is ATP, you can see. This is ATP. On the basis of ATP production, this is known as powerhouse. Why we are using term powerhouse? Because this is especially for the production of ATP. And here inside the cell you can see what type of materials are utilizing inside the mitochondria. So mitochondria, centrally this is a mitochondrial matrix. This is mitochondrial matrix. In this way you can see here, this is a mitochondria. Number of mitochondria are present inside the cytoplasm of the cell, and mitochondria are especially for different functions inside the cell, that is semi-autonomous in nature, because it can divide and redivide on the basis of their requirement. Mitochondria can divide and redivide on the basis of requirement. Inside our muscles, when we utilize it, we work. At that time, number of mitochondria increase inside the body. That's why we are saying, okay, especially when we are going towards the exercise, when we are walking, we are working, at that time number of mitochondria increase, because number of mitochondria increase, the production of energy increase, because that are known as one type of energy generating organelles inside the cell, and they are producing number of energy materials, that's known as the ATP, especially we can say. So mitochondria involved in the cell division, especially means mitochondria